Well, new developments tonight in the ongoing legal dispute involving Corpus Christi Mayor Paulette Guajardo.
An attorney representing the mayor is calling on the city council to hold off on a removal hearing. Otherwise, he says that the city could open itself up to costly legal action. Now, this is a story we here at 3 News have been following closely. Our Natalia Zuna spoke with the mayor's attorney and fellow council members about this today. And Natalia, what all did you find out?
Mike, Leslie, well, this all follows that 5-3 vote by Corpus Christi City Council members to advance a petition seeking the mayor's removal. Now, the letter from Mayor Guajardo's attorney argues that new impeachment allegations brought up in March are based solely on speculation and that previous investigations did not find enough evidence of any wrongdoing. A divided city council and a legal warning as Corpus Christi's mayor faces mounting pressure.
The vote carries.
It was March 24th when council members voted to move forward with a petition calling for Mayor Paulette Guajardo's removal from office. 2 weeks later, Guajardo's attorney, John Flood, sent this letter addressed to council members, informing them she's hired legal services. Flood spoke with 3 News, sharing his insight and intention behind that letter.
Over the last couple months, the city council has taken some steps that really threaten some of the constitutional rights that she holds, that we all hold.
Flood says he questions the intention behind council members' decision to move forward.
Multiple law enforcement agencies, the FBI, the Texas Rangers, Police Department, District Attorney's Office have all concluded that there was no wrongdoing by anyone, much less the mayor. And so you have to ask yourself, well, then why is this happening? And so it's happening for political reasons, which is an unconstitutional reason.
The petition is on the agenda for next week's council meeting. Ahead of that, I spoke with fellow city leaders from both sides of the issue on where things stand for them now. Councilmember Mark Scott is one of 3 who voted against the petition.
This information that John provided that says really you may want to have a hearing, but you're not going to have a quorum. And if you do go forward, it's going to cost the city an extraordinary amount of money because John's going to move forward with a lack of due process, and he's going to win. I mean, all of this is based on state law.
While Councilmember Gil Hernandez is one of 5 who voted for it.
We're technically the judge and jury on this process, so I'm trying to keep a distance from any predetermination and want to make sure that the process is fair for both us and her.
Meanwhile, the mayor's attorney says the final decision should be left to the voters.
Really, the way this is dealt with in a democracy will be dealt with in November. And if a majority of people think that the mayor shouldn't be the mayor anymore, so be it. That's democracy. That's what we all ought to have faith in.
And at the meeting on Tuesday, they will review preliminary and procedural matters required for a potential removal hearing. And according to the letter, Flood says he also plans to be at that meeting. Leslie, Mike.